Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Immediately, we start off with today's content. The Fear and Greed Index, currently at 68, guys. Wow, the greed is here, as we can see yesterday, as we can see right now, as we can see last week as well. Even though it was more yellowish green, right now we see that clear green heading into the green, guys. The greed, the market is bullish, and here's the data to back it up. We can see clearly an uptrend. You know what I mean? Look, just almost making that new high again. 68, we're at it. We're at the previous local highs, and it seems that just like Bitcoin made new local highs above $30,000, the sentiment shall follow once this is updated in the next couple of hours. So that's what we expect, probably above 70. We'll see. Just continuing the strong uptrend with regards to the fear and greed to that market sentiment. And yeah, just a brief overview. Bitcoin currently is at $30,283, up 8.36% in the last week. Wow. In the last 7 days, that's amazing. With a market cap of, let's refresh, yes, $585 billion. Not much movement here. The volume is low though. Wow, that down 41, almost 42% at $13 billion in the last 24 hours. Yikes, the volume is not there, but price is going up. So definitely something to keep in mind at 32,000, almost 300. Not bad, not too shabby. Bitcoin is remaining strong, making new local highs. Guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right here. You click it, click the notification bell to stay tuned for a fresh off the press content, guys. Look at it right there. Like this video. It helps out the algorithm find more great people like you guys to join our community. So don't forget, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. And what do we give back to new subscribers? A free educational playlist with educational presentations. You can get a pen, pencil, piece of paper, dig in, and there's so many different crypto themes here. Great educational content, all for free. Link in the description down below. One click and you already have access to this playlist. Don't take it for granted. Great information over there, guys. Moving on to the charts, as we can see the price, just as we discussed, slightly above that $30,000 mark. Clear uptrend as of late after piercing through and breaking the previous resistance of $28,679, guys. Now we're hugging this clear trend line here, the top part of this ascending channel with all these candles, a couple of wicks here and there, but wow, is hugging it clean, trying to pierce through just like Ethereum did, as we discussed in our crypto climate video a couple of days ago, to get up to that $31,800 next resistance mark. So again, right now Bitcoin has a lot of juice, it's impulsing an impulse move towards the upside, bullish impulse move, as we can see. I mean, the stochastic still actually has room to continue up to 100. It's above the 80 mark, so it has that momentum for it. You do see a tiny cross there though, but it's trying to cross back up, so we'll see in the next couple of days if it has enough momentum, enough juice. And yeah, the RSI is trying to get above that 70 mark, so right now, and make a new local high as well. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. It's a pivotal time in Bitcoin, guys, because right now it's at a level, it's just been breaking records as of late for the past couple of months, making new high after new local high, on its way towards resistance now. So it's a pivotal time. We have to see if it remains above 30K for a good while, a couple of weeks, then that is extremely bullish, and then a full-blown momentum shift move can come up to 35K, but we'll see what happens. On a weekly note, we can see here, if we clean this up, we can see, look, a new big green candle once again after these small candles, just bullish consolidation within the ascending channel still, but trying to close above the pivotal $28,679 mark. That's going to be key. Just a couple of days left, guys. Tomorrow at the end of the day, depends on when you watch it, but Sunday at the end of the day, nighttime around 7, I think, p.m. Eastern time, this candle closes is key. It's pivotal, because if it closes up here, then the next candle would be that confirmation candle. So exciting times, guys. Next week is going to be a pivotal week for Bitcoin's price. We do see on the weekly, we're coming up here, running out a little bit of momentum. So We'll see. Once we have an official cross, then we expect a downturn to come, just like we had here, where we did, but it was in an uptrend where it still went up, but we had those red weekly candles. So we'll see what happens. You know, Bitcoin has been remaining strong, so exciting times. Moving on, we do see 4 consecutive back-to-back, wow, negative red bearish candles for Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin retracing back to the mean, its dominance over altcoins a little bit, made a new high, new local high at around 48.88%. Came right back down and is retracing to the mean, you know, breathing a little bit, having a breather before possibly the continuation above that pivotal 49 to 50%. So, you know, we'll see what happens, guys. We're here. We're going to keep you guys informed. So hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you did, we have our website link in the description down below. Don't forget, guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and hope you guys have a good one.